Yep, go ahead and start it up. Yep, that's good. Got the right rotation. First bucket here. Trying to figure it out a little bit. Looks like it's little. So from here, Logan, it's a little bridged up top, so you might just need to give the bucket a little shake. Yeah, to get it, there you go. And then if you can kick it back a little bit more, like as you, yeah, and that way it'll really fall back down on there. There you go. Yeah, see, you got more bigger, the bigger stuff's kind of coming out at that end, so.
Is it empty now?
It pretty much, you should, yeah, like normally it would say about 10 seconds, 15 seconds of screening, and then, you know, and then test to see what's left in there, and then you can kind of dial in as you go. Let's see what we got. He was pretty empty. Alright, here we are testing out some topsoil. This is the 10 mil bucket. It's just getting it like water level, struck level. Trying not to make it bridge. And getting to where he's going. And getting those stars going. There it goes. A little shake, get that product to fully set back. There we go. Yep. Some nice clean soil. Overfill on the side. Kept out a lot of trash though.